Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can find your Changelly wallet address. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, simply open the application, make sure that you are logged into your account, and from here you can simply tap on the settings option that you will get around this navigation bar, and from there will be shown all of the cryptos that you own, but you can also get the option from the homepage just like this. So you can simply select the cryptocurrency that you own. For example, I'm going to select Bitcoin from here, and after doing that, there you'll get the option of receive. So right now I don't have the option of receive because I have not bought this cryptocurrency in my account, but if you have bought it, there will be the option of receive. All you have to do is tap on receive, and then your address will be shown, and then you can simply tap on copy, and like that you'll be able to copy and find the Changelly wallet address. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.